In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and format text, bold, size, and center alignment. Let's begin by getting into editing mode. Look for the edit option in your interface. This is usually at the top of the screen or near the area you're working on. Clicking edit tells the editor that you're ready to make changes, and it unlocks all the text formatting tools you'll need. You'll know you're in the right mode when toolbars or side panels appear, or when your content shows outlines and options when you hover over it. Next, click directly on the text you want to change. Once you select the text, you should see a small formatting toolbar appear either above the selection, at the top of the page, or in a sidebar. This is the control center for your quick adjustments. If you don't see anything right away, make sure the text is actually selected and that you're still in edit mode. Most editors will highlight the text or show a box around it to confirm it's active. Now let's make the text bold. Look for the bold icon, usually a simple letter B. Clicking it toggles bold on and off for your selected text. Bold is excellent for headlines, section labels, and key phrases you want to emphasize. A helpful guideline is to use bold intentionally, not everywhere, so that the important parts truly stand out and your page stays easy to scan. From there, adjust the size of the text. In most editors, you'll see a font size control that may look like a drop-down with numbers or labels like small, normal, and large. Choose the size that fits the importance of the text. Larger sizes work well for titles and headings, while smaller sizes are better for body content. Keep consistency in mind. Headings should be clearly larger than regular text, but not so big that they dominate the entire layout. Aim for a clear visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's eye naturally. Finally, center the text if that's the look you're going for. Find the alignment controls and select the icon with lines centered. This places your text neatly in the middle. Centering is ideal for titles, short taglines, or callouts. For longer paragraphs, consider readability. Centered text can be harder to follow in large blocks.